welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start up a van. Perhaps you're having a starting issue. You see this van pulling away, the Ford Transit? This guy just helped out another guy get his van started. But guess what? Up here in Laredo, a Flying J type of a truck stop, so I could go get some food, a Denny's restaurant. I was in there roughly 10 minutes, but as I was pulling up, I could see that they had basically all the connectors connected, you know, like, and I could see that somebody probably has a dead battery and they need to get it charged. Well, turns out I went inside and I ate. I must have been there about 10 minutes. I come out and it's still the same thing. The Sprinter, it's like 2016, was getting jumped by a Ford Transit, and I could see that they're just parked there. So the guy that had this Sprinter was, you know, getting jumped. He's from Bosnia. He was not speaking English, you know, really well, so he could not understand nothing. So when I came up to him and I said, listen, I got the largest Sprinter source on YouTube, he really did not understand, you know, and he's just keep messing with his stuff. Like, you know, he'll just mumble something, you know, and I'm trying to help him because I could actually figure out, like, why is it not starting? So they're just telling me, hey, it's not starting. So I said, let me take a look at it so I could help you. But, you know, he was just over there messing around. He went and bought himself some tools on the inside, and they're not fitting, so he's with his frustration and stuff. So I came up to the guy that's in the Ford Transit. He's a Russian guy, and I spoke to him. I said, you know, what's going on here? He said, listen, I'm just trying to help this guy out, you know, get his van started, but it's not starting. You know, we've been here for 10 minutes. I'm like, I know, I've seen you guys when I pulled up. So then I look at the Ford Transit, and turns out they had the ground connector for the jumpers in the wrong place, and obviously it was not getting any juice for the Sprinter. So all of them, with their, you know, frustration, not being able to start, you know, not knowing like what's going on, and the guy from Bosnia trying to pull his battery out, but none of the tools are fitting. And I'm saying to him, listen, I have all the tools, I could help you with this, and I have check engine readers, we could find out like what's going on. I have like 3 check engine readers with me. I have an Altel, I have you know, a Serge ZR1, and then I have iCarsoft type of scan tools with me. So obviously I could find out what the problem is. But anyways, guys, when I've seen that the connector was wrong, plus the van was not on, when you're trying to jump somebody, make sure you hook up all the connectors the right way, and that your vehicle that's jumping that other vehicle, it's on, you know, to actually keep your battery from dying, and, you know, to actually help charge out the, you know, battery and stuff. So guys, when that happened, I told them to wait 5 minutes. I connected all the connectors the proper way, which I will show you how to connect it in this at the end of this video. It started right up, guys. There's no problems. No need to be, you know, frustrated, I guess. But anytime I'm at truck stops and I see somebody with their, you know, hood open, I try to have like a courtesy to come up to one of you guys. Maybe you guys watching my channel, maybe you're not. I didn't see none of them subscribing afterwards, but then again, I guess they don't know the power of YouTube and all these helpful videos, you know, that I do have. So I try to come up to you guys and you know, find out like what's going on, and I try to help if I can, you know, and usually I know what's going on, you know, so, you know, that is the benefit of that, I guess. But anyways, take a look. So anyways, this Sprinter 2016 is getting jumped by this Ford Transit. The blue shirt guy, he's the owner of the Ford Transit, and the red one, he's the owner of this 2016. Here's the way you hook it up on the Ford Transit, guys. This is a positive cable. We have the negative right here. And this guy hooked it up on this bolt right here on the plastic pieces. Obviously, there's no ground there. You could technically do it on the hood type of leaf, but it's painted, and that's not gonna really work. So there it goes.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.